Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our July Allure Beauty box. For those of you who are not familiar with it, this is what the box looks like. It comes in once per month and the cost for this particular box is $25. Now, I do have a code down below so that you can get money off on your first box, okay, if you'd like to try it out for yourself. All right, now we're going to just go ahead and get right into the box and find out what goodies are inside, okay? So when we open it, the first thing we have is a thanks for being a member card, okay? And they're letting us know about the products that are in this month's box, and it says we love sharing our beauty faves with you every month. All right, there are so many good things in the member store right now, and it says these items that are in this box we can also find in the store for a substantial discount, okay? And they also give us a $5 off coupon for anything that we purchase this month out of the store. Now, the second thing that we have is this right here. This is what they call the mini mag, and I'm gathering they call it that because of course there is the Allure Beauty magazine, okay? And yes, this is a part of that, but this mini mag gives us a description of all the items that are inside of this box. Now, the theme for the month of July is getting warmer. And it says, like slushy drinks and popsicles, the products in July's Allure Beauty box are refreshing summer treats, okay? Now, these items are chosen by the Allure Beauty staff, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So the very first item that we have is by Tula skincare, all right? And this is what it looks like. And this is called Tula Skincare Glow. Get it cooling and brightening eye balm. It says the reason you'll love it is because there's no dipping your fingers into a pot of cream here. Tula's brightening, hydrating under eye treatment comes in a stick that's easy to swipe under your eyes and gratifying too. All right, it says the balm feels cool and refreshing going on, and the chill actually lasts well after application. All right, now let's go ahead and pull out the actual product because this is the outer packaging, but we want to see what the product itself looks like, okay? This is what our product actually looks like, okay? And yes, it is a roll-on balm or stick balm, actually. All right, and this one is a 0.35 ounce size. This is a full-size product. Remember, under eye care, you don't use a whole lot, but a little bit goes a long way, okay? And so this is that full-size product, and it is $38, okay? Now, it says you can purchase this at Ulta Skincare. All right? Now, I'm here for it already. This one is a cruelty-free product, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Now, I'm trying to decide if we want to open it because I just started a new under eye cream. But let me tell you something, having a balm where I don't have to stick my fingers into the jar or squeeze it out and dab it under my eye, that is really sounding rather enticing right about now. But nonetheless, okay, so this one is our first product. I turned it on the side and it said probiotics and superfoods, okay? So that one is item number 1. And then the next item that we have is by Malin and Goats. And this one is actually a fragrance. It's a perfume oil, okay? And it says it is a dark rum perfume oil. And it says, if dark and stormies remind you of summer nights, this perfume oil with its notes of rum and ripe plum will be a nostalgic hit. It's inspired by that classic sailor's favorite bay rum. Okay? Okay. All right. Now it says that this one is actually a travel size. Okay, so this one is not the full size product, but we're still okay with that. We're still okay with that. And let's just go ahead and open it so we can see what it looks like. All right, now as I do that, I just want to let you know that this one has a 12-month shelf life, and it is a 0.3 fluid ounce size. All right, now I do like the fact that it is an oil, because that means it's going to last longer. At least we hope it does. So this one is actually not a trial size or travel size. This is the full size product. Okay, and the price is $36. And if you decided you like it enough and you want to purchase it, we have a coupon that is valid through September the 1st of this year, and it will get us 20% off. Okay, so we of course swatch everything at the end, but because this one is a perfume, what I'm thinking about doing is go ahead and putting it on so we have time for it to dry down, and we'll be able to see what it's actually like by the end of this video. So I just put it on. It is a roll-on, and it's already boy, this is smelling amazing. I'm sure I'll be adding that one to my collection. Yeah, I'm gonna have to buy that. That is wonderful. And it hasn't even dried down yet. But nonetheless, let's keep going. That was item number 2. This item number 3 is actually by the company Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, and this one is the Beauty Touch Blur Primer. Okay, and it says this primer has a glittering golden effect in the bottle, but on skin it's all radiance with no obvious shimmer. It gives base staying power and makes your complexion feel smoother. Okay, it says you might even want to wear it on its own. All right, now this one is a 10 milliliter size. The actual full-size product is 30 milliliters, and the retail price for this in full size is $56. So let's just go ahead and take it out so we can see what. Okay, I can see the sparkle in here. I can definitely see it. Now this has a 24-month shelf life. So yeah, we'll be opening this one in the end. But this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can really get a good look at the golden sparkle inside, but it's gorgeous. It is really gorgeous. And it has like a doe foot. No, it's a spatula applicator. That's pretty nice. Okay, so this one is item number 3. And yeah, we will be checking that out as well. Okay, so let's just keep moving. The next item that we have is by Byone, and this one is the Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. Okay, it says with hydrating superstars like squalene, glycerin, and shea butter, this mask helps make skin softer while you sleep. Okay. It says, I woke up this morning with brighter skin and 0 stains on my pillowcase. And this statement was by Diana Maison, and she is actually a part of the Allure staff. Okay, now this one is a 10 milliliter size, so this one is a sample. But the full size is a 65 milliliter size. And that one, the manufacturer suggested retail price is $142. This one also has a coupon inside, so that you could get 35% off, just so you know. Okay, just so you know. All right, and this one says that it is, I was trying to see if it gave us any information about this particular product, you know, being vegan or cruelty free or anything like that. But on the sample size, it does not. But it does let us know that it has a 12-month shelf life. Now, not only does it have a 12-month shelf life, it gives us an expiration date for this product, which is April 2025. Okay, so this is the first Byone product that I've gotten that wasn't in a liquid or gel form. This is the first time. That's very interesting to me. Okay, so let's keep going. That one is item number 4. Then the next one that we have is quite a mouthful to say, but nonetheless, this is the product right here, and it's by a company called Flannery. And this is the Pore Refining Exfoliator, Water Lily PHA. Okay, and it says the PHA in the name stands for polyhydroxy acids, which are exfoliants that tend to be gentler than other chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs, but they still do a great job of removing dead cells on your skin, so your skin can feel smoother, look more radiant, and the rest of your skin and the rest of your skincare can penetrate better. Okay, now this one is a 1.52 fluid ounce size, and it says right on here that it is a vegan, it is a vegan product. Okay, now it says this right here is a full-size product, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $52. Okay, so we have another full-size product. So far we've gotten 3. Not bad at all. All right, and now it does say use it once a week after cleansing and massage in a small amount of this exfoliator and then thoroughly rinse it away. Okay, now it does have a 12-month shelf life. It is a cruelty-free and, as I told you, vegan product. Okay, so this one is item number 5. Okay, not bad, not bad at all for $25, correct? What are you thinking so far? What are you thinking? But we do have one more item in the box, all right? And it says this one is perfect for summer travel and easy styling. Okay, now with this one, you had the option of it being one or the other product, okay? So the one that I received is the Lift Me Up Hair Thickener Spray, okay? That's this one right here. And it says, whether you blow dry or air dry, this volumizing spray and conditioner, whichever one, makes styling your hair easier. The mist gives impressive volume at the roots with hydrating argan oil, and a pretty flowery scent makes hair softer and shinier, while it adds more volume to help keep hair looking healthy all summer long. All right, now this one is a 2 fluid ounce size, but the full-size product is actually a 6 ounce size, and it is $37. And we have a 20% off coupon for either one in the magazine. Now, it does say that this is a cruelty-free product, and it has a 12-month shelf life as well. In addition to that, it says it's vegan, sulfate-free, and paraben-free as well. Okay, so not bad. And this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm kind of feeling these items this month. I really am. Although they haven't been, it hasn't been a bad thing since I've been back. I've gotten quite a few full-size products in each time. And this month was no different because we received 3. Now, I'm telling you right now, every time I move my hands, this smell is amazing. It's amazing. It's almost like just the smell of it makes me think of a dark drink, you know, since they're saying that this is rum. But I can actually picture that with the way that this smells. It's wonderful. Yes, I will be purchasing this in a full-size product, okay? But we're only going to swatch one thing today, and that is the primer, okay? The Yves Saint Laurent primer, okay? I just want to see, because I don't know if you can really see it or not, but it's gold sparkly in the bottle. But it says that's not the way it will come out. And that's really what I want to see. All right, now it does have this type of a spatula on it, okay, to apply it. So I'm just gonna put it here because I'm not gonna put a whole bunch on. So I just put that there. I see a little bit of a shimmer, but certainly not gold flakes. It feels nice. It absorbs very quickly, and it's blurring. Just right here on my wrist. Well, not quite my wrist, but the base of my thumb. So it's blurring, and it feels really nice. It's not, I mean, I don't have any issue with it being sticky or tacky or anything like that. I could just snap my finger, and it's soft and smooth. All right, so definitely feeling that. What do you think? Okay. Tell me what your thoughts are. This right here, I'm really feeling it. I like the products that I have received. I'm excited to try them out. And the fact that this primer has a wonderful shelf life, I am not stressing out about how quickly I'm going to use it. So I do not, you know, end up getting rid of my products. So what is your thought on that particular product? What is your thought? Okay. And in addition to that, what are your thoughts on everything else in this month's Allure Beauty Box? I am fascinated. I'm very pleased. And I just want to tell you, I'm ready to try it out. How about you? If you do not currently subscribe to the Allure Beauty Box, consider it. The coupon code down below will give you $10 off on your the first box that you get. All right. Now, if it's not something that's for you, go ahead and cancel it. But to get products like this at $15 plus a welcome gift, my welcome gift was an Elements cream. Okay. That's not too bad by itself either, okay? I'm just saying. So, nonetheless, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell someone else about it as well, you know? Share the information, okay? But I want to tell you right now, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox the July Allure Beauty Box. These are the items that were included down below. Total manufacturer's suggested retail price for the full-size products that were enclosed only, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.